Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your mobile site with responsive design, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by assessing your current mobile site. Visit your site on various mobile devices to identify areas for improvement. Take note of any layout issues, loading times, or usability problems. Research the principles of responsive design. Understanding concepts like fluid grids, flexible images, and media queries is essential. Choose a responsive framework that suits your needs. Popular frameworks include Bootstrap, Foundation, or a custom solution. Set up your development environment. Ensure that you have the necessary tools for coding, such as a code editor and testing apparatus. Start by creating a flexible grid layout. Using percentages for widths will allow elements to resize relative to the viewport. Next, optimize images for different screen sizes. Utilize CSS properties such as max width to prevent images from exceeding their container. Incorporate media queries into your CSS. These will help tailor styles for various device breakpoints. Test your design across multiple devices and browsers. Responsive design should maintain functionality regardless of screen size or browser choice. Focus on touch-friendly design elements. Ensure buttons and links are easily clickable with a finger. Consider readable text sizes that automatically adjust for smaller screens. Maintain a balanced, accessible design with adequate whitespace. Implement lazy loading for images and other media. This improves page speed and overall user experience on mobile devices. Regularly review analytics to determine user behavior on mobile. This data can help you fine-tune your design further. Make continuous improvements based on user feedback. Engagement and interaction often highlight areas that might need further enhancements. Document each change you make to understand what works best. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.